Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flagpole, and I'm answering frequently asked questions. Today's question is, what happens if somebody tries to steal my flagpole? Sadly, that is a very good question because that is the world we are living in now. There's all kinds of nutty stuff out there. And sometimes there's even people that don't want to embrace the patriotic spirit. Well, I'm happy to tell you that the Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole comes with an exclusive accessory and exclusive warranty. It's something that you won't find anywhere else included in your flagpole kit. It's our anti-theft Securi Shur locking device, and it's actually paired with our anti-theft warranty. So let me go ahead and show you here. The anti-theft Securi Shur locking device comes in two different sizes, so it'll work with either your 20 and 25 foot flagpole, or it'll work with your 15 foot flagpole. But basically, the anti-theft Securi Shur locking device is designed to tighten the portion of the ground sleeve that sticks up above the ground to the base of your flagpole. And this is actually paired with our anti-theft warranty. So if this device is in use, again, it does come standard in our Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole kits, and it's an industry exclusive accessory that comes already included in that kit. When it's in use with your specific flagpole, all we ask is that you take a picture of it installed at the base of your flagpole and email it to us at info@atlanticflagpole.com. and include your first and last name or order number just as a reference so that we have something to look back on. Because if that's in use and somebody still steals your flagpole, we will actually replace your flagpole up to the value that you had your original purchase. So that's something that we offer. That's pretty incredible. I don't know of anybody else that does that. But again, that's just something that you can expect from Atlantic Flagpole. We do offer the best warranties in the industry, and it's backed by 5-star ratings for our company. So something we're very proud of, and we're very excited to be able to offer you. It's just another peace of mind in an already kind of chaotic world. We want to make sure that that your mind is at ease, that when you're flying Old Glory, that everything is in place to be able to protect your flagpole.